Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of my Boujie yarn. So what do I have for you today? Well, I have for you some yarn from Siobhan's Crafts, and this lady I found through Tracy and Kirsty from Wool & Wishes, and believe it or not guys, this lady lives about 10-15 minutes away from me, and I've been and met her and bought some yarn from her, and I've even made some socks from her yarn for Rick. So this is Siobhan Crafts. Nice superwash merino, ideal for socks. And the next thing is this yarn that V from Steals the Show Crochet and Chef, no, it's not Chef and More, bought me in the Hobby Lobby sale. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these guys. Any ideas on what I could make with this lovely yarn? Again, this is superwash merino 100%. There's no nylon in this, so I can't make socks with this, but maybe a shawl, a cowl. I'm not sure. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Really nice yarn. So this is from Hobie. It's the unicorn merino and nylon. Really nice colours, and they're all one weights, which is a lace weight. This one, so they're from Denmark. This is from Scotland. This is Bow Fiddle Yarns. Is it Scotland? I'm not sure, but I bought this and this from Dina's Home of Crafts to make Love Note, which I believe is by Tin Craft. Is it Tin Can Crafts? Anyway, I'll find the pattern and I'll put the description in the description box below. I've got this one, which again is a UK company. And then I bought this one, which is this was actually a gift from Rick, the Knitting Gift Shop. I've got a pattern to make a nice shawl with this one. Again, superwash merino, but this has got silk in it. This is what's this? This is Blueface Leicester and silk, and you knit these with this, which is superwash merino and nylon. And last but not least, I've got from the Yarn Whisperer on Instagram. I got this Mahusif one of a kind yarn, and it is a 5-ply sport, 100% Guernsey and tobacco and mustard it is, and 1,250 meters, approximately 500 grams. Look at that color. Isn't that color just gorgeous? So that is going to make a really nice wearable. I also bought these from the Yarn Whisperer. This is called Dreamcatcher. Really nice colours, lovely summer feel to these colours. And when I was at I actually met Katie at East Anglia Yarn Festival, and I'd been eyeing these up on his website, and on Instagram he showed them, and I just fell in love, so I treated myself to a couple. Really nice. I think this will make a really nice lacy flowy summer bolero kind of shorty cardigan. I think I might knit with this actually, but we'll see. So that is Yarn Whisperer. So I hope you enjoyed having part 3 of my Boujie yarn, and check out the description box below for all the links to the yarn companies and whoever I've mentioned, I will try and remember to put the pattern name that I'm going to be making. I think it is I know it's Love Notes, and I think it's called from Tin Can Yarns Crafts. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye bye for now.